Hello everyone. Let's learn alphabet letter names, sounds and the formation. Are you ready? Let's go. Letter U. And the unicorn's going to help us write the letter U. Starting from the top. All the way down. Give it a curl all the way to the top. Fantastic job. Well done. Great work. Well done. Let's write the letter U. 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 Fantastic. Well done. Great work. Now the sound, and the unicorn's gonna help us to write the sound, starting from the top all the way down, around, up, then down. Well done. Sound. Fantastic. Now it's our turn to write the sound. Fantastic. Well done. Great work. Super. Letter V. And the vulture is going to help us to write the letter V. Starting from the top, all the way down, back to the top, letter V. Fantastic job. Well done. Great work. Now it's our turn to write the letter V. 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 Well done. Super job. Fantastic. Sound. And the vulture is going to help us write the sound. Starting from the top, all the way down, and then back to the top. Well done. Fantastic job. Great work. Now it's our turn to write the sound. Well done. Great work. Fantastic. Now letter W. And the whale's going to help us write the letter W. Starting from the top, all the way down, then back to the top, then down and back to the top. Well done. Super work. Fantastic. Let's write letter W. 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 Fantastic. Well done. Great work. Now the w sound, and the whale is going to help us to write the w sound. Starting from the top, all the way down, then back to the top, down, then back to the top. W sound. Well done, everyone. Now it's our turn to write the w sound. W. 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 Fantastic. Well done. Great work. Letter X. And the X-ray fish is going to help us write the letter X. Starting from the top, all the way down, across diagonally, then back to the top, opposite side, and across diagonally. Letter X. Fantastic job. Well done. Great work. Let's write letter X. 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 Fantastic. Well done. Good work. Now the X sound. And the X-ray fish is going to help us write the X sound. Starting from the top, across diagonally, and then back to the top, the opposite, and then across diagonally. Fantastic. Well done. Great work. Fantastic. Now it's our turn to write the X sound. X. 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 Fantastic. Well done. Great work. Letter Y. And the yak is going to help us write the letter Y. Starting from the top. Oh, down. I'm going to go up, then down. Letter Y. Fantastic job. Well done. Great work. Let's write letter Y. 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 Fantastic. Well done. Great work. Y sound. And the yak's going to help us to write the Y sound. Starting from the top, down, then up again, and all the way down. Y sound. Fantastic. Let's write the Y sound. Y. 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 Fantastic. Well done. Super well. Fantastic. Letter Z. And the zebra is going to help us to write the letter Z. Starting from the top, across, then come down diagonally, and then across out. Fantastic. Well done. Letter Z. 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 Fantastic. Well done. Great work. Now the Z sound. And the zebra is going to write the Z sound. Starting from the top, across, then come down diagonally, then across out. Well done. Fantastic. Z sound. Now it's our turn to write the Z sound. Z. 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 Fantastic. Well done. Super job. Great work. Fantastic. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.